It's amazing. Oh my God. I love fried chicken, and fried chicken sandwiches are no exception, especially when they're from fast food joints. Do you know what their secret is? I do. Oh, not the pickles, but the juice. This is liquid gold. You know why? Because they brine their chicken in it. So I'm gonna strain out a cup and just brine some chicken breast in there. Yes, chicken breast. The driest part of the chicken stays nice and moist. We're going to brine our chicken breast in pickle juice for 4 to 6 hours. The magic of Food Network Kitchens. It's ready. So now we're going to coat it. Smells pickly. We're going to season our cake flour. That's the second tip. Cake flour makes fried chicken amazing. That crunch, that's where the money's at. A little salt and pepper for my eggs and flour. Beat my eggs. And what you want to do is dunk it in. Dry, wet, dry. Now back in the dry. So now that it's fully coated, it's ready to be fried. I'm frying in some vegetable oil. You're gonna fry it at 375. You're gonna wait until your oil comes up. I also like to add a little lard or vegetable shortening when I'm frying. It gives the fried chicken a nice color. So while these are frying, I'm gonna make that special sauce that's all over all the fried chicken sandwiches. It's a mayonnaise base. The ratio is about 2:1:1:1, but do whatever you like. You like mayonnaise, add more mayonnaise. And then I'm gonna add some honey. Honey and fried chicken, just heavenly. And then some barbecue sauce for some tang. And a little mustard, yellow, for that kick. Ooh, excuse me. A little more. And then, whisk it all together. Really should have used a bigger bowl. It's like made for a child. A little whisk, little bowl. Perfect. Let's take a look at these. The important part, oh, that is a golden beauty. You want to make sure you fry it to the internal temperature of 165 degrees. When they're ready, you want to let them rest on a cooling rack. Drains all the extra oil. And you always want to season with a little bit of salt. Let them rest for just about a minute and we are ready to make our sandwich. So now that the chicken is ready, I toasted a bun with butter on it, placing my ginormous chicken breasts. Drizzle some of our sauce. Add some pickles, top. And now my favorite part. It's amazing. Oh my God.
Is this your favorite tip?
Yes, this is my favorite tip for you guys. I don't even care if it burns my mouth. It's everything I ever wanted. I can't get it into my mouth fast enough. Oh, that's so hot. I don't have water, I don't care.